Selling insurance can be difficult at the beginning, and that's the reason I'm creating this video to educate beginners on how to close their first deals in the company because it's usually difficult, and that's why most insurance salesperson leave at the beginning. But once you're established in the company, you may not have that mindset or that feeling of leaving the company. And the number one way to close your first deals, all right, in insurance as a salesperson is by starting with the known, all right? Start with the people you know. Start selling to the people you know, all right? If, for example, your mom needs a particular insurance policy, maybe a retirement plan, all right? You can tell mom, this is time to help me to make my first sale. If you have already registered under a particular company, I think it's time to liquidate that and come to me because I'm now an insurance agent. So your mom will understand that at that point, you need her the most. Okay, so she will do everything possible to sign up for a particular insurance plan with you because you are the son. All right, likewise, your dad or your sister or your brothers who have come to age and can pick insurance policy. All right, you can give them maybe an endowment insurance plan for them to buy. So, by so doing, they are helping you to grow your network. Because as a salesperson, you earn by commission. There is no fixed money in insurance as a salesperson. So it's from the business you bring into the company that they will use to pay you. So that's how the work is. So I have been there for 6 years before I decided to resign to face other type of work. So I know what it feels to start selling an insurance policy. And that's why I say the number one way to close your first deals is to start from the people you know, from known first before you migrate to unknown. Another thing you need to know, another thing you need to do to close some deals as a beginner, is to ask for referrals. All right. Yes, referrals can help when you close a deal with someone you know. Ask that person, please refer me to your friends or help me talk to your friends about the insurance policy or insurance plan I gave to you. All right. So by so doing, because they are related to you, they have to help you to grow in the company because it's better for them to help you get referrals than for you to come begging them for money for you to be able to feed. So because they have established good relationship with friends out there and co-workers, they can easily help you talk to their friends. Once they're able to convince their friends, they can put a call across to you. All right, Mr. Mike, come over. I have a client I want you to meet. All right. So you go over and meet the person, explain more to the person about that particular product you want to sell to him or her, and tell him or her the need, why he or she needs to buy it. So if you don't understand the plans you sell, please sit down, study the plan very well, know the benefits, mainly the benefits, because people like to benefit from things. And that's why you have to capitalize more on the benefits and tell them in the course of saving, at the end they will be able to get some amount of money and that money will not be taxed. All right, so push these benefits to them. If you are selling maybe an endowment policy, educational plan for their children, tell them we will cover for the education of your child should in case of uncertainty, whether they have saved that amount of money or not. So sell these benefits to them. That will motivate them to do what? To queue into your plan and then sign up for you. By the time you sell benefits to them, they can even help you, grow your network too by telling their own friends too. So you see how the network works, the connection works. And with time, you start having a lot of close deals. And as your close deals are growing, your money is going up. And before you know, you become a big boy or a big lady in the company. So that is why asking for referrals is very important. So when you close a deal with that guy, still ask him, please still help me to talk to your friends. Because your relation, maybe your mom or your dad, is a friend to him. He has other friends he can talk to. So if the guy likes you, he will help you do that because he understands at that stage that you're just starting out and you need more money or you need money to live your life. So that's another way you can grow in insurance and close some deals. And the last point I have here, which is not the least, is by visiting companies that have large number of workers. Yes, when you visit large companies that have large number of workers, you stand higher chances of closing some deals than maybe when you visit an individual. Take for example, you attended a particular university and at the end of the whole thing, you gained a job in an insurance company. All right. And that your university you attended, the university you attended has over 1,000 workers or 500 workers or even 50 workers. That's a lot. All right. By the time you get to that university, some of the lecturers still know who you are, that you were once their student. Okay. You were once their student. So that gives you an edge first before the number of workers. So you can visit from department to department. You may not be able to cover it in a day. But by the time you get there, you talk to them about what you sell, about the products, the benefit they will have to gain from it. That if they pick a retirement plan, at the end, they'll be able to gain a lot of money before they retire from the school. Or for those that have kids, pick this for your child so that you don't struggle to pay for their tertiary university education, their tuition fee when the time comes. And we give you a life insurance cover in case of anything. All right. Or maybe some of them have homes already. You can tell them insure your homes because anything can happen. Fire can break in, burglary can come in. Okay. All right. So somebody can just bug into your house and instead of you paying all the money alone, maybe to cover for the loss, we can help you. So sell this advantage to them. It depends on the plan you are selling. If you're selling life insurance, go deeper in life products. If you're selling general insurance, go deeper in general insurance, the one that relates to them. All right, that are relative to them, so that they will understand the benefit and you need to sign up for that. But if you are selling both, that's beautiful. So you have a lot to talk to them. So at the end of the whole thing, they will do what? Pay from the list you have, explain to them. All right, the number of insurance policies you have, explain to them that your company offer. Okay, so go to those kind of companies that have a lot of workers. By the time you'll be able to work to talk to 50 persons, maybe at the end you have 10% of them subscribe to what you're selling. All right, so that's the benefit. So target all those companies. Maybe there is a manufacturing factory there, you can talk go there because they have a lot of workers under them and sell something that suits into what will benefit the workers. All right, you can tell them pick a plan to save your money so that tomorrow you have your own company or maybe you have your own business. Little, you start little to grow big. So by the time you target all these kind of people, at the end, you will be able to close one or two deals. And that's will grow your line of customers or clients. Okay. So that is how you can make money and close good deals at the beginning as a salesperson in any insurance company or any part from any part of the world. And I believe this content helps you. So if it does help, consider subscribing to get some financial tips as well as time goes on, as well as tech. We cover tech, basic tech tutorials here to help you complete some tasks using your phone, using your computer, and using different software. So if you find this content helpful, subscribe, okay? Hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. I'll leave a comment if you have some questions you want to ask me based on what I have taught or based on insurance policy in general. Come on, talk to me in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.